Simple Cafe E, illustrated tutorials for your electronics. Welcome, gentlemen and ladies. Let us clarify what these devices do once and for all, because I know you've seen them around. And if you've seen any of my videos before, it's likely I've mentioned them, but now it finally gets to be the star of the show. Anyway, subscribe to more easily find my videos the next time you're looking for a tutorial. So perhaps you, like me, once wanted to connect your speakers to your TV. To elevate your TV game, pun totally intended. If you haven't experienced this before, you're missing out on something pretty great. Come to take your games, movies, and music to the next level.
Oh, but my TV speakers can get pretty loud.
You say? Sure, perhaps, but they can't pack a real punch. If all that fits inside are speakers as thin as your TV. It looks like we found perhaps the only downside to flat screens, eh? Oh, and don't assume you're gonna have to go shopping for a special set of speakers. Your old faithful speakers will do just fine, if not better than the measly soundbar. And perhaps you already tried, but failed to figure out how to connect them. So there you were, strutting over with your speaker's aux cable, but wait, your TV doesn't have that port. Aw man, what are we to do with incompatible ports? Well, perhaps there's an aux cable with optical on the other end. Sorry to say, there isn't. Oh, I know, I cried. An optical to aux adapter, huh? But nope, no luck there either. What did always come up in my search results though were these complex looking devices. But I wanted a little cheaper, simpler solution. So I let it go for a few years until I finally decided to make the jump and order one. And boy was I sorry. I mean, why did I give up? It wasn't complicated at all, because all I had to do was connect my TV's optical cable to the input side and my sound system's cable to the output side. And now that they had met, the converter would automatically forward my TV's audio to my sound system. Ha! Just like that, my entertainment was on the next level. But wait a minute, before you go out for yours, there's one thing we cannot ignore. And even though it's a small detail, it's extremely important. Because you see, there are two types of converters. So let's make sure you get the one that you need. If your TV's audio out options are one of these, then that's a digital output. And on the other end, if your sound system takes one of these inputs, making them analog, then you, my friend, need a digital to analog converter. Now then, if your setup is the other way, well then, so too will need to be the name of your converter. Analog to digital. So make sure you do a double take before you buy. Right then, what the heck? Oh, well look what we've got here. On top of converting audio, this one will also convert your video. Just like the one above, it converts your analog to digital. Or the other way around if that's what you need. So for example, you'll be able to play VHS tapes on your TVs that don't have RCA ports. Well, I've made a whole other video for that, so find it right up here to learn more. You can find links to these converters in the description to get you started. And have a look across my channel for many more solutions. Let me know if this video helped by giving it a like. If not, go ahead and leave your question in the description or suggestions for any new topics. Right then, good luck, remember to sub, and I'll see you around.